Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to recover or how to reset your forgotten Zoom account password. So as you can see guys, I have forgotten my account password. Now I am going to recover this. So here you can get the option forget password. Just click on it and then it will ask you to enter your email address and then click on send. So the link was sent to your registered email address. Just you need to open your email address and then click on that link. So I am opening that link in my phone. Click on reset your password link and then here you can get the option to reset your password. Here you need to set your new password. The password is should 8 character, one number, one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter as well as one special letter. Okay, remember this and then click on save. Now your password was resetted. Just if you want to log in once again, just once again need to open the Zoom login page like this. Click on sign up, enter your email address and enter your new password. That's it. So this is the way to reset your forgotten Zoom password. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.